This is also a type of hair transplant, punch grafting, and this patient was living with this for almost 15 to 20 years of his life. Imagine.
Satya Hair Solution, where trust meets expertise.
So he came to Satya, we repaired this. It was real difficult and very challenging case, but still we managed, and you can see detailed case analysis of this patient where you'll get to learn a lot of things. And if anyone in your vicinity is having this, please share this video. And if you want more content like this, subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment. Thank you.
Contact us today. Thank you.